Bogart, Zendaya, I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Bogart, I'm gonna eat you. Come here, Bogart. I'm gonna eat you. Bogart, why aren't you scared of me? I'm gonna eat you, Bogart. I'm gonna eat you. I'm on your tail. I'm on your tail. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you, Bogart. I'm gonna eat you. You too? You wanna be eaten, Zendaya? I'm gonna eat you, girl. I'm gonna eat you. You know, come here. Come here, let me eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Yum, yum. Just because you're cute doesn't mean I won't eat you. Dude, there's no food in there. Why are you licking your food bowl? I'm watching you. I'm watching you. What are you doing? What are you doing, dude? What are you doing? I will. I'm watching him. What are you doing? There's no food on the table, girl. What are you doing? What is she doing, Bogart? She's so weird. She's so weird, right, Bogart? She's so weird. What are you doing, Zendaya? Stop sniffing my toes. Stop sniffing my toes. No toes. No toe sniffing. Toe sniffing is not nice. What are you sniffing? What are you sniffing, dude? Wait. What are you sniffing? There's no food up here. There's no food. What are you licking? I had cereal. Yes, I spilled it, but why are you licking? What are you licking? You're funny, girl. You're very funny. I'm gonna eat you, Bogart. I'll eat you. Get over here. Just because you're cute doesn't mean I won't eat you. Yum, 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 yum. I'm gonna eat you, Zendaya. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you. You better run. I'm gonna eat you. Zendaya, I'm gonna eat you, girl. I'll eat you. I'm gonna eat you. Yes, Salisbury steak ham. Duggies, what are you doing? What are you doing, Bogart? What are you doing, Bo? Where's Zendaya at? Zendaya, where are you? What is that girl doing? Bogart, let's go find your sister. Hey, Bogart, get out of the dishwasher. Get out of there. Get out of the sink. You're not getting a bath. What are you doing? What are you doing over here, girl? Oh, sorry, hit your face. What are you doing over here, girl? Huh? What are you doing? Bogart, don't be mean. Hey, stop! Don't be mean to her. No. Hey, don't attack her. Stop it. Stop it. Do you guys want to play with the balls? Yeah, you guys want to play with the balls. They want to play with the balls. Where are the balls at? Oh, they're all under there. Okay. Oh, let's get... Ah! Hi, Bogart. Yes, I'll get you your balls. Right now. Hold up. Let me get your balls. Alright, guys. We're going to play with the balls. Yeah, we are. Alright. Let's bounce the balls. Give me the ball, Bogart. Alright, let's catch the ball. Alright, Bogart, catch it. Ready? Almost, buddy. You almost got it. You almost got it, Bogart. Bogart, stop it. Bogart, here. Have another ball. Dude, can you catch a ball? Don't let it go into the couch, Zendaya. You got it, girl? Good job. Where's the Alabama ball? Oh, here's the other one. Oh, God. Can you guys hold one ball, please, and play with one ball? Okay, give me one. You, Bogart. Bogart, catch this one this time, all right? All right, go. That just hit your mouth, dude. You got to get out the way. Oh, camera's dirty. Dude, what are you doing? Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Zendaya, what are you doing, girl? Drop the ball. Hey, get over here. Drop it. What are you doing, girl? Give me the... No, where's the other one? Bogart, you have the other one? I got the one. I got the Alabama one. I got the Alabama one. Bogart, come here, dude. Dude, it's right there. Give me. Drop it. Dudes. Little dudes. Dudes, you guys okay? Don't hit yourself on the wall. Guys, puppies of all kinds. Come here. Come here, let me bounce the ball. You ready, Bogart? Catch this one. Dude, almost, buddy. Almost. Where'd it go? Good job. You know how to catch the ball, dude. All right, let me see. No, God, no. Dude, where'd it go? It's right there. We're not stopping until you catch the ball. Then you can have a rest break. Stop it. Guys, stop fighting over the ball. All right, Bogart. You ready, Bogart? Go. Dude, almost. Hey, you caught it. Nice. Zendaya, get off of him. Zendaya. Hey, the ball. Hey, stop it. Stop fighting. Oh, God, why are you electric? You're so staticky, Bogart. Bogart, come here. Ready, Bogart? Ready, Bogart? Dude, you hit me. What is this? What are you doing? Hey, come here. Bogart. Bogart, come here. Oh, bounce. Hey, you caught it. Good job, Bogart. Now you can have a break. You did. Good job, buddy. Hey, Zendaya. Get. Hey, stop horsing around. Love your brother. Love your brother. Wait, don't bite me. Good job, Bogart. Hey, Zendaya. Hey. Good job, Bogart, with your ball. Good job, buddy. All right.